How does a mother's adult attachment style affect the level of amygdala activity when she hears her infant cry? That is the question that my research aims to answer. But first, we need to understand what an attachment style is and what exactly is the amygdala. In 1970, an American psychologist named Mary Ainsworth conducted an observational study that put infants through a scenario that causes separation anxiety, known as the strange situation. The strange situation consists of 8 episodes in which a mother, child, and stranger are introduced, separated, and reunited. Ainsworth used the data to construct a classification of attachment styles which consist of secure, ambivalent, and avoidant. Bartholomew argued that infant attachment styles are carried into adulthood and proposed another model that follows the classification by Ainsworth. In their model, the securely attached infant becomes the securely attached adult. The ambivalently attached infant becomes the preoccupied attached adult. And the avoidantly attached infant becomes the dismissing attached adult. You may wonder, what does attachment have anything to do with the brain? The answer lies in the amygdala. The amygdala is a part of the brain's limbic system that focuses on the processing of negative emotions and is a vital area that determines the level of sensitive maternal caregiving. A study found that amygdala activity is negatively correlated with sensitive caregiving. And in another study, it reported that mothers that had a securely attached infant showed a deactivation of the amygdala upon hearing their infants cry, while those with an insecurely attached infant reported no change in activity levels. However, not enough has been done to investigate the differences in amygdala activity across maternal-adult attachment styles. This research aims to answer the question with 3 hypotheses. First, securely attached mothers have the lowest level of amygdala activation as they provide the greatest level of sensitive caregiving. Second, preoccupied attached mothers are predicted to have higher levels of amygdala activation than securely attached mothers because they provide inconsistent levels of sensitive caregiving. Third, dismissing attached mothers are predicted to have the highest levels of amygdala activation as they provide low levels of sensitive caregiving. The participants will be 50 prima pares mothers that will be put through an fMRI measuring amygdala activity whilst listening to the audio recordings of their infant cry. This will be a one-way between subjects design, and the independent variable is the type of attachment style, which will be using the relationship questionnaire by Bartholomew and Horowitz. In our results, we would expect to see a ranking of means from lowest to highest in amygdala activity with secure, preoccupied, and dismissing respectively. This would explain why securely attached mothers provide the most amount of sensitive caregiving, preoccupied mothers provide inconsistent levels of sensitive caregiving, and the dismissing attached mother providing low levels of sensitive caregiving. So what do these findings mean, and how useful are they? These findings suggest that higher amygdala activity levels mean that less sensitive caregiving is provided, which gives rise to the development of insecure attachment styles. What's more, the infant will grow up to be a dismissing or preoccupied attached adult, and will repeat the cycle when they become parents themselves. In all, this research will provide evidence that different attachment styles in mothers will have variations in amygdala activity in response to their infant's cry, which may affect the level of sensitive caregiving.